Hello sir, good day to you. First, I will show you how this SCADA system works when parking the car. The start button is pushed to turn on the operation. When the ground button is pushed, the presence sensor is switched on, which means a car is detected. The car will be clamped right away and it will wait for further instructions. After user choose their desired car park lot, let's say it's lot 1, the base direction can be seen turning on as it is waiting and preparing to run. As the elevator lowered to UG1, the base motor is switched on and the base motor direction is displaying down. When the elevator reaches UG1, the clamp releases while the lot 1 conveyor will turn on. At the same time, the base conveyor and the lot 1 conveyor direction will run at counterclockwise direction. When the car is parked into lot 1 sensor will turn on while the presence sensor on the elevator turns off. After that, the user lot select will turn off. Then the elevator will return to the ground. Since lot 1 sensor is turned on, the next user cannot park the car into lot 1. He can choose either lot 2, 3, or 4. If the user selected lot 2, the process is similar to lot 1, but the elevator stops at UG2 instead. When the elevator goes through UG1, the conveyor of lot 2 will not turn on yet until it reaches UG2. When a third user chooses lot 3 to park his car, the system runs as in lot 1, but instead of running in counterclockwise direction, the base conveyor and the lot 3 conveyor run in clockwise direction. When another user selects lot 4, the system runs like when it is in lot 2. However, the base conveyor and the lot 4 run in clockwise direction. When the first user wants to withdraw his car from lot 1 button is pushed. Since there is no car on the elevator, the clamp is released as it is not turned on. The base direction will display down. When it reaches UG1, the base conveyor and the conveyor motor of lot 1 will turn on. Both of the conveyor will run in clockwise direction as the lot 1 sensor turn off and the presence sensor of the elevator turn on, the car is detected and clamped. The elevator then moves up to ground floor. The operation will be similar when withdrawing car from lot 3, but the conveyors move in counterclockwise direction. When user withdraw car from lot 2, the conveyor motor is not turned on yet until it reaches UG2. When the fourth user select car When the fourth user selects lot 4 to withdraw his car, the system runs in similar operation as in withdrawing car from lot 2, except the base conveyor and the lot 4 conveyor motor run in clockwise direction. Then, the parking system will stop whenever the stop button is pressed. Thank you.